Okay, here is my website I made for ELRC 2507. It is about nutrition and diabetes education. Here's a little bit about why I chose this topic, because I have diabetes. Here's my About Me page. Here's a picture from my senior year of high school and my dog. This just talks a little bit about my experiences that have led me to become a teacher. Let's see. Here's my resources. These are related to my topic of diabetes and nutrition. These are just resources on eating healthy, and these are about diabetes. This is just basic information. This is a blog of a girl who lives with diabetes. Here are my resources related to teaching. Kahoot, Padlet, Jumpstart, PBS. These are just things that would be useful to any teacher. Under technology projects, this is my digital story that I made about the creation of insulin. Here is my mobile app. It's about Padlet, just a little informative slideshow. My PLN page. If you click on here, it'll take you to my little reflections and reviews. This one is about a blog page. It's Cassie's classroom. Here is my website evaluation that I made on abci.com. And my Apple teacher certification that I got in the MacBook. And lastly, here's a little link to my tech blog. It shows my 3 blog posts, the wikis in the classroom, copyrights and fair use, and my welcome page. Alright, and that is my website.